sticking out a little bit more, guess what, you guys? That goes right to the top, to that big flower that's sticking out. So you'll kind of get a little bit better of an idea. So if I wanted to cut, and you know what? I'll just cut it out just like this so you can see. So if we just wanted to do this shadow, we would lay this down, and let's go ahead and just die cut this so you can see the difference. And we're going to lay that down. Let's run it over here to the machine. So now we have just the shadow, like a normal stamp, just the shadow is going to be cut out, right? Look at what we have. So we have just the shadow. And, you know, that's great, right? Oh, well, that's great. That's great. That's how a normal die is. But wouldn't it be better if you did this instead? Let me find my one that sticks out. See, there's my one that sticks out. So that should go right about, this one might not be as much like that one was because it was the inside. It's harder to do on the inside. So this one you're going to spend an extra second, and I'll probably spend an extra more than that second. Oh, where's that one? Okay, there it is. Let's see. No, that one didn't work. Oh, I thought that was going to be it. So this one's going to take you an extra second. So when you put it back on the, oh, there it is. When you put it back on the paper, kind of like I saw that little indent, so I knew that one. Okay, so now let's get our, so you could do these at the exact same time. If you knew you wanted it die cut out, you could have done that at the exact same time, both dies. You just would have taken it like this and run it through, right? But I wanted to show you both ways so you can see. So now we're running this one through, and look at this. Peel that up. Peel that up. There we go. There's our pretty wreath. So you have options. Now, how fun would it be to die cut this weird, ugly shape? It looks like nothing, right? How fun would it be to die cut this out of a different color and put that right on the inside and stamp it? So there you go. There you go. Will the baby onesie work under the new overall fold it? Baby onesie. Do we have a onesie fold it? We do. It will.
You do.
It will. It will. I don't have one done, but it will. So that is the wreath. And then of course you get like the inside die, you'll get a whole bunch of other flower dies and a whole bunch like that. So